Hello and welcome to our Vivid Club movies. My name is Marian Czernik. I'm the cardiac application for CVUS ultrasound in GE Healthcare. In this case here, I want to show you a little bit on how you can configure your measurements to your needs to optimize your workflow. The first thing you need to do is you need to enter the configuration screen. So just simply go on the alphanumeric keyboard and press the config button. You see the system always starts with this screen here, which is on imaging, where you can adjust a little bit your presets or image acquisition. But we want to go to the measurements now. You see this is on the bottom on the monitor. Press the button for measure and text. On the monitor you find your measurement menu, now here on the right side, in the same way as you're used to when pressing the measure button. You can select between the different modes. This is in this section here. 2D, M mode, Doppler or tissue Doppler is here. Let's start with the 2D measurement. In 2D you have a folder for dimensions, where you already have a couple of measurements inside just by factory default. If you are missing one specific measurement, just go inside. You see here we have a couple of more measurements. So the possibility that you find your specific measurement is very high. Let's, for example, say you want to measure the aortic ascendance. Just make your check mark in front of the name here in the box, and you see the measurement comes up here in your measurement folders. Now, if you want to optimize a little bit the order of the measurement parameters here, just highlight the measurement, then go to the arrow keys and just move it down, in example, by using the arrow keys. Or you can also use the arrow key for moving it up. So this is one possibility. Now let's check, for example, for an M mode. In M mode we have the LV study. And usually the LV study is first set up to measure the septum, the left ventricular inner diameter and the posterior wall in diastole as well as in systole. Now, some people just want to measure in systole, for example, only the left ventricular inner diameter and don't want to measure the ventricular septum or the posterior wall. You can configure this here very easily just by unchecking the two parameters here. Now your measurement is optimized in systole only to measure the one parameter here. Once you are done with all your settings, simply press the configuration button again, and all the settings you have changed will be stored in the system now. I hope this little video will help you to optimize your workflow for the measurement parameters. Thank you and goodbye.